So can you find not interested videos on TikTok? So what does that mean? If you're scrolling on TikTok and you come across a video and you hit the share button, which is located right over there, and then you tap on not interested. Now people can do this by mistake. If you want to save the video, which is right next to it on the right, sometimes people hit the not interested button by accident. So can you actually recover the videos that you hit not interested on? Because the moment that you hit not interested, the video is going to disappear just like that. Well, there's two ways of how you can actually get this video back. So if you, for example, like the video, before you tap on the share button and then tap on not interested, you'll be able to recover that video, and you do that by going to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right hand corner. That'll be on your home page. Then you want to tap on this little heart icon. That'll take you to your liked videos, and you can see there's the video that I hit not interested on. Now there's no way to hit the share button and undo the not interested, so you're not going to see videos from this user pop up on your home page. But you have the option to go to your liked videos within your profile to see the video in case you hit the like button before you hit not interested. Another way to be able to recover these videos that you hit not interested on is if you remember the person's username that you hit not interested on. So all you need to do, if you do remember the person's username, is to tap on the Discover tab, which is right over here. And then you will tap with there at the top where it says search, and then you will search for the person's profile. So let me say it's this profile right here. It'll show up the profile. The profile won't be hidden from your TikTok or anything like that. And then you'll be able to see the person's videos. But other than those two options, you don't have an option to recover the videos that you hit not interested on, unless you hit the like button before you hit that button, or you remember the person's username. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.